Hello, I'm Lisa Cleveland from the Wando Mt Pleasant branch in the Teen Center. Today we're going to be making Toadstool Cupcakes. What we need for our ingredients is a box of cupcakes, vanilla white icing, red food coloring, and white chocolate chips. First step is to make your cupcakes, and you can just follow the directions on the box, and you can use any flavor you would like. I am using yellow cupcake. The next step you're going to do is get your vanilla frosting, and you're going to mix red food coloring into the icing. Now you're going to have to use a lot of food coloring because it takes a lot to make the red color. And you're just going to mix it up. When your red color is then complete, you're going to take your cupcake and just begin frosting it. And cover the entire cupcake so there is no cake showing. And try to make it as smooth as possible. Once that is complete, you are going to take your white chocolate chips and put them face down onto your cupcake. And there is your Toadstool Cupcakes. Bon appetit!